Hey, it's Stu. How you doing? We're just getting ready to cook one of my favorite things, these lobster tails at Stu Leonard's right here. See how beautiful they are? I'll just show you. You basically just get it. Here's a really simple way. Use about any knife. Just go right down the center of it there. Cut from one end to the other. And then what I do is just sort of break the back, the shell a little bit like that. So you really get it like that right there. Sometimes you might even want to go in, that's female right there, so you might want to clean that out a little bit. But then what I'll do, I got a really cool olive oil from Tuscany from a good friend of ours, Marco Bacci. Makes great wine, but any olive oil you get from Tuscany has a real nice grassy, peppery taste. They got to climb up in the hills to really pick the olives, so it's really special. So I'm going to put some of that on. And then basically I'm just gonna add some herb de Provence. I'm gonna bring it out to the grill. I'll show you, it's probably about 5 minutes aside. It'll be done in no time. And I also am gonna cook up some scallops. You know, we've been up to New Bedford where they get these, and the fisherman actually, he tasted them raw. So these barely have to be cooked. But I'm still gonna do a little olive oil and some herb de Provence on it, and then we'll garnish it with lemon and maybe a little bit of butter. Okay. It's been 5 minutes, okay? And check the lobster tails out right there. Fantastic. Look at these scallops on the grill. Look at how beautiful they look right there. Those are gorgeous. I love having that chard mark on them. It just makes it look so good. I am just going to literally turn these just about over and then they're done. I'm not going to overcook these at all, which is really easy to do. But check the lobster tails out now. You see they got that nice red color? Now it's time, turn them over, face down. By breaking the shell a little bit, you're getting more of the lobster meat exposed to the grill, which is really good. You can see here, even we're getting some nice grill marks on the back of it right now. Really simple. It's really simple. And you can basically dress them however you want. Some people love, of course, the butter, lemon, garlic. I put just a little olive oil and herb de Provence on it. But bang, look at what a great dinner that is. So anyway, I'll put this in for a few more minutes and we'll come back with the finished product. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. I flipped those lobster tails over. Look at that. They look beautiful. And let's take a look. Check that out. Okay, really good. They are cooked perfectly, okay? We'll take them off and we are gonna have a great dinner.